Hi, welcome to ATM's Academy. I'm going to introduce to you now a very dynamic program, the Diploma in Travel and Tourism. We have been seeing several hundreds of students make great success in this diploma program. They just study with us for a very short while, but we see that years and years later, this diploma has helped them establish themselves, have formidable careers, and great successes. You can see on our portal different alumni giving you fantastic testimonies of what life-changing experiences they had through this diploma program in travel and tourism. As long as man lives, aviation and tourism will always live. There is no such thing as any of these industries coming to a standstill because humanity needs us. There is no way that humanity can carry on life without aviation and tourism. So these are sunshine industries which will always shine. There might be pause buttons because of various factors, but life goes on. So what are the precise jobs that you will qualify for? You can see airports all over the world. You can see several airports in different towns, in different cities, in different metro cities, huge and small. Do you know that there are more than one airport in New York City? There are more than one airport in London. You have a fantastic airport in Hyderabad, several new airports under construction. So you could qualify to work in any of them. There are hundreds of airlines today. You could be working on board the airline as a cabin crew, or you could be part of the airline reservation teams in the offices or in the airports. You could be also part of the consulates. It's wonderful to be part of a consulate or a high commission, or the VFSs, which represents these consulates and high commissions, and be a visa expert, giving visa expertise to hundreds of people who are traveling overseas. There are hundreds of student consultancies, overseas migration consultants, and everybody who's looking for visa specialists. And the visa specialists are very few. You will hear people saying, I'm specialist in this and that, but visa is something which is very rare and still a product which money and power cannot buy. So if you are going through this course, you qualify to become a visa specialist. And then I think you also know there are so many foreign exchange organizations. There are offices, or there is also entrepreneurship opportunities in foreign exchange. You could be part of their airport counters. Nowadays there is foreign exchange online. This could definitely be one of your portfolios as well. Then, did you look around and see there are hundreds of tourism boards? There's a Malaysian Tourism Board office in India. There is a South African Tourism Board sitting in India. And there is a Telangana Tourism Board, there is an India Tourism Board office in London, there is an India Tourism Board office in Malaysia, and there is a Japan Tourism Promotion Council in India. And you could be belonging to any of them. So sky is the limit. There is no geography to where you could migrate and work in the tourism industry. And there are also tour operators and travel agents all over the world. There's a big community. Right? So there is one travel agency in every corner. In India, there are more than 1,100 IATA recognized travel agencies. And I'm very happy to tell you that I had two of those 1,100 IATA recognized travel companies. Alright, so now we've been running a travel company for 24 long years, and we have been teaching our profession to several hundreds of youth all through our journey of running this corporate. So nothing like learning from the current performers in the travel trade. There are of course several institutes teaching travel and tourism. But then I don't think there are any to tell you that I sell travel, but I also teach travel. So this is the combination which makes our academy a win-win combination. We know the best of both the worlds. We know our subject. We also know to teach people like you. And we've been doing this for a long time, and we've seen success stories. We've seen lives transform. We've seen children take up great careers, buy their own cars, build their own homes, educate their kids, all through one job in travel and tourism. And all this doesn't take a long time. Our diploma program is just 120 hours of investment of your time. And you do this all in the security, privacy of your own home. It's like having your private classroom with a private tutor online. So, you know how beautiful this is. And of course, all of us love to travel. We love to go places, we love to go to beautiful forests, see beautiful oceans, beautiful experiences in this world. And how beautiful it is to package all this and explain all these things to customers and to passengers who are traveling from place to place. Now, the internet has brought hundreds of more opportunities. Today, you could be a travel blogger, you could be a travel influencer, and you could also be a live traffic management executive. So many of the social media campaigns have gathered huge crowds in several companies. So they want somebody to anchor this crowd and keep them entertained on their portals. So if you want to be one, it is possible. If you are a wonderful photographer and want to be part of the tourism industry, you could make it a win-win combination. Right? So these are all some of the very, very new, recent and dynamic roles in our industry. Now, if you want to be a tour operator and carry hundreds of people from one country to another, showcase these countries, to tell the story of these beautiful nations and bring them back home safe. Now, this is again a very exciting profession. I have had the privilege and honor of leading groups to several countries. I have completed 4 passports now, right? So this is wonderful experience, and let me tell you, these are great memories that I cherish. Every group is a new experience. Every departure is a new beginning, and the journey is a memory that lasts for a lifetime. Every heart's beat at this departure. And then the glorious moments that we see them after the trip, they have so much to recall and so much to say, and we live in the memories of the people. So this is a beautiful profession where every day is an adventure. We meet hundreds of people, different kinds of people, and we deal with hundreds of people. And of course, there will be stress, there will be joy, there will be variety, but then let me tell you, every profession is like a dark cloud, and you will soon see the silver lining. And this is what it is to belong to the travel and tourism industry. You will see the economics happen. You will see yourself flourish. After all, you have seen great nations being built with revenues from travel and tourism. There are countries like Maldives, Mauritius, Malaysia, Singapore, of course, USA, Europe. Most of the economy or the revenue is controlled by the tourism industry. So if you hand over your career to this industry, don't you think the industry can build and sustain one life? It definitely can. But what we need now is tremendous knowledge. Knowledge not in one direction, but the holistic aspects of the travel trade. It's not just about ticketing or making passports or processing visas, but there's a whole dimension to travel. And it is an art and a science by itself. So you need to master this art. And who can teach you better than someone who says, we've held the reins of a company for 24 years. So those of us who have worked in travel, who actually sell travel every day, we give our expertise to you during this course. So I'm sure it will be a fantastic decision if you can take up this diploma and get yourself future ready. And let me tell you, my dear boys and girls, it is not about thinking of today, but the maturity to plan for your future. The maturity to look into the future and equip yourself today is what is going to make you successful. You must be thinking, I'm very busy doing my graduation or my MBA or my post-graduation. But you will realize when you come out of college, there are thousands of people like you. So what is going to give you a job is not the graduation, but a job skill. A phenomenal job skill, a dynamic job skill is what you require. Now I speak to you and I share with you my story. I completed my master's in science and also my MPhil, and all these years of education formed me as a personality. But what gave me my bread and butter and what helped me form a big company is this diploma program in travel and tourism, which I also chose to do during my graduation. So I am sure that if you decide today you will also be equipped with one powerful job skill in your bag, which you can take out from your bag and start working anywhere in this planet. So, good luck and hope to see many of you on my diploma.